Hello, this is Cecilia Ramos from Coldwell Banker La Costa. Let's go check some properties. Welcome to Casa Sol, a beautiful house located in Fluvial. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a pool, and it costs $600,000. Please check it out.
Hi there, my name's Donna Vickers with Coldwell Banker La Costa. Today we are in Fluvial with Casa Victoria. We have a three bedroom, 3.5 bathroom for $475,000. Come on, let's go take a look.
Hello, I'm Carla Jacinto from Coldwell Banker, and let's go to our next property in the Marina. Welcome to Casa Parota. We're located in the Marina of Puerto Vallarta. This house is listed for $560,000, 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths. Come on in, welcome home.